To be more precise, I can tell you one thing. It was chilly this morning. It did not feel like early May. Many locations made it into the 30s. Todd sent this picture to me. He texted it to me. Clear skies overhead. This is what we call radiation fog. The water temperature is in the 60s. The lakes, the ponds across much of Oklahoma, lower, even mid-upper 60s. And this morning, as the temperature dropped into the 30s and 40s, yeah, that type of a temperature inversion causes fog to form, and it was pretty thick over some of the waterways. I saw over in eastern Oklahoma especially, there was very dense fog this morning. Lows dipped down to the 30s to the north, back to the west. We had low 40s across the metro, 47 officially, at Will Rogers. Winds today for your Wednesday, light all day. May have some gusts up around the teens, but overall beautiful in the wind department. And we have rain chances that are going up this evening and tonight. In Oklahoma City, it's about a 40% chance of getting a few showers, maybe a rumble of thunder. We'll talk about that in just a minute. We got a disturbance moving through, a cold front making its way through Colorado. A few showers ahead of the main wave ongoing, and you've had off and on rain up in northwestern Oklahoma. I had a viewer write in and say, I've had 3 sprinkles in my house in Woodward, just 3. Well, you're getting a few more. A few sprinkles moving on through from Fort Supply to May. A few sprinkles near Bouse Junction. It's not amounting to a whole lot in the rain gauges. Might get a sprinkle or 2 up near Enid here in the next hour or so. We're dry in Oklahoma City. Skies are crystal clear, beautiful sunshine, especially in southern Oklahoma. Pike Pass Skycam, 57 degrees, and we got a very light east wind. Oh, glory, just laying completely still this morning. 55 degrees in Ponca City, 54 in Stillwater, 58 in Ada. We've got low 60s now. You were in the 30s, now you're at 62 in Mangum. Winds are much more gusty in the Panhandle, but really through the main body of the state, light winds will prevail all day. Here's your hour-by-hour forecast. We go from the 50s to the 60s at lunchtime, 70s into the afternoon. I do think we'll have a few passing clouds around lunchtime, and then our rain chances go up after sunset in the metro. Highs today, 60s, 70s, and some mid-70s out west. May sneak in an 80 down in far southwest Oklahoma today. This afternoon, that wave continues to scoot off towards the east, and we'll keep rain chances in the forecast, kind of along Highway 412 and up to the north. Best chance far northern Oklahoma. And here's kind of a look on futurecast. Those showers trying to make their way to the metro, I think it's less than a 20% chance they get here by noon. And then we kind of lock and reload this evening. Thunderstorms fire up in the panhandles of Texas and in Oklahoma. Initially, those could crank out some larger hail up to the size of quarters. Will be just unstable enough in the Panhandle and far northwestern Oklahoma for that, and really the instability is very limited once these showers and thunderstorms make their way into the main body of the state. So I think more than anything, it'll be pockets of moderate to heavy rain. That pushes down to the south as we go through the early morning hours on your Thursday, and your Thursday is looking pretty nice across Oklahoma. So this evening into tonight, a 40% chance in Oklahoma City. I think the higher chance will be more from Clinton to Fort Cobb, back down even to the Norman area. We'll have a slightly higher chance than OKC of seeing showers and storms tonight, and that goes all the way down to Ada. So as far as the severe risk, it's May. Well, we are seeing very limited factors as far as the severe potential for today. So very low threat of even seeing nickel and dime size hail. That would kind of be a maximum. May see up to quarters in the Panhandle and far northwest. Tonight we fall into the 40s and 50s, no 30s tonight, and tomorrow for your Thursday, 70s and 80s on the way. So this weak disturbance scooting by today and tonight. We start to see this ridge build in for your Thursday and Friday and even into Saturday. So we heat things up. I do think Friday midday we'll have a weak wave that could bring a few thunderstorms, but that severe threat goes up late Friday and then again Saturday evening into early Sunday. But the main energy with the storm is staying to the north. So we've got to watch it closely. Some of the factors that you need to get severe weather are coming together for Saturday. A dry line setting up. We'll have a surface low back to the northwest. We get plenty unstable, but the question is how strong is the cap and what's the timing of the storms? I think the best chance will be overnight into early Sunday, Mother's Day afternoon.